Thirsties reusable swim diaper now comes in 3 sizes. We have here with the green trim size 1 that fits 6 to 18 pounds. Next is size 2 that fits approximately 18 to 40 pounds. And now, after a lot of requests, we are coming out with a size 3 swim diaper. This is designed to fit kiddos roughly 40 to 60 plus pounds. Hello from Pennsylvania. Thank you for tuning in. So, we wanted to talk a little bit about Thirsties swim diapers and how they fit, what they're designed to do, how to use them, all things like that, but mainly focusing on fit. And to explain that, especially if you're familiar with Thirsties cloth diapers, I'm going to start by comparing them to our Duo Wrap. So, Thirsties Duo Wrap is a diaper cover, okay? And the sizing of our Duo Wraps is what our swim diapers are based off of. Now you'll notice there is just waterproof material here in a Duo Wrap. In a swim diaper, we added athletic mesh, okay? That's one difference. Another one is you'll notice here in the back, there's extra room in our Duo Wrap. Why? Because this is a diaper cover that's meant to have absorbency added to it. So you have to have extra room here in the back so that you can fit your absorbency. A swim diaper is not designed to be absorbent. It is designed to catch poop, and that's it. Okay, so quick tip, using a swim diaper, you want to put this on right before baby gets in the pool, okay? Because it's going to keep all the solids in so your little one can keep swimming and playing and be happy, right? But if you put this on your kiddo and you've got them on your hip while you go to the pool and they pee, well, guess what? It's going to get on you, okay? Swim diapers are not meant to be absorbent. So, our swim diaper, while it's fully waterproof, look, there's not a bunch of extra room in the back here because you're not going to be adding any kind of absorbency to it. So, that said, when you're comparing here's a size 2 swim diaper. When you compare that to our Duo Wrap, there's going to be way more room in the back in a Duo Wrap. If you put a Duo Wrap on your kiddo and put them in the pool, it would turn into, water balloon bum. We designed our swim diaper to fit nice and trim so you won't get that, okay? So you can tell here, if I lay them, our size 2 Duo Wraps are slightly bigger than our swim diapers. So here is the mantra for swim diaper fit. When in doubt, size up. And now we have 3 different sizes, so that's really easy for you to do. So, for example, one of our groupies, Mackenzie, has a lovely little lady who is a bit thicker on the waist, and her thighs are lovely and chunky, okay? So, while her daughter doesn't weigh 40 pounds, a size 2 is maybe going to be not the best fit on her, because let me show you a size 2 that's got the waist snap all the way out, okay? It's, it's still pretty generous. Okay, here's the leg openings. All right, so 40 pounds, but let's say I take my size 3, and you'll notice on these, this is called a rise snap. So you can can snap this all the way down, and that's why these swim diapers can fit a pretty large range because of the rise snaps in the front. Okay, so here's our size 3 snapped all the way down, and then you'll notice another difference between our swim diaper and our regular duo wrap is that there are 2 sets of waist snaps here. Okay, so it's going to be nice and snug. And sized all the way down, our size 3, it's not that, you've got a lot of room to grow, but it's not that huge. So if you have a kiddo that's maybe like 35, 36 pounds, but they need more room in the legs, they need more room in the waist, they need more room to grow on the rise, I would get a size 3, okay? So, can you snap the smallest for me? The 3. Yep, this is a size 3, snapped all the way down. Okay, so let me tuck up this extra fabric here. And also, okay, here we go. Tucked up the size 3. So this is the size 3, snapped all the way up. Okay, and this is a size 2, snapped all the way out. They're very similar, okay? Except there's a lot more room to grow with the size 3, and you'll notice it's longer, okay? So size 3 snapped all the way up is a bit longer than our 2 completely unsnapped, which that can be helpful as well, because some babies just get really tall and they need extra room, you know, in the torso, but they need a snug waist. Okay, so this is really versatile. Adding a size 3 makes swim diapers, I think, accessible for a lot more kids. Okay, so the 3 at the biggest, someone is asking. So that's the size 3 that's at the smallest. Before I totally unsnap it, let me show you, because this is about fit, let me show you a quick fit tip. Let's say that you have a kiddo that is maybe short, but has thicker legs. So you're going to want to leave the rise snapped all the way in, but undo just one snap setting at the legs. Okay, that's gonna give you a little bit more wiggle room on the thighs. And here, let me show you what this looks like. Oh, I see what's happening. Sorry guys, my waist snap was uneven and it was driving me nuts. Okay, here we go. So, here is what you can do for that. See how in the middle here, oh, it's off center. Guys, is anyone else like me? It's like if it's off center, it just like drives you nuts. Okay, here we go. So, in the middle here, you've got the rise snap all the way in, but you unsnapped on the sides. That gives you more wiggle room at the legs, at the thighs, okay? So, now let's just totally unsnap the size 3, and I'll open up the waist as well. And this now will get into the department of being a swim diaper that could work for perhaps children with special needs. So we're getting it all the way open. By the way, who loves this new fishtail print? Look at that. Okay, so snapped on all the way. Here is the size 3. Okay, let me put my fingers in so I can show you. All right, so there's the waist of the size 3. undone all the way. Here are the legs, okay, and then the length of it, okay, so if I stretch that down. So it's very, very generous. Oh, someone says this print is husband approved. I think my favorite fish, look at that one. That one's my favorite. What's your favorite, guys? They're so cute. Oh, this one's pretty cute too. So, yeah, I love it. And you'll notice that this print is multi-directional. So the fish aren't all facing the same direction. Yeah, that's my favorite right there. So, again, we have size 1. This is for those itty bitties, okay? 6 to 18 pounds. If you have a kiddo that's right on the cusp, and especially if you're buying this at the beginning of the summer, I would size up, okay? 6 to 18 pounds for size 1. This is our leap print here. For our size 2, 18 to 40, this is toucan. Love this guy. And then size 3, 40 to 60 plus. Okay, so I love this print. And it matches my wall. I mean, how did Thirsties know? So guys, let me review how to use these. The Thirsties swim diaper, really any swim diaper, is a great, well, if it works well, is a great first step for a lot of families to take for reusables. Okay, because really to get through a summer with swim diapers, you really only need maybe 2 or 3, 4 if you're at the pool a lot, but really you probably could get by with 2 or 3 of these because they do dry very quickly. So how do you use them? You get your swim diaper in the mail, you wash it once, okay, let it dry. Then let's say babe is playing in the sprinkler and they just pee, okay? Well, you can just throw this in with your regular laundry, right? If they're splashing in the kiddie pool and they poop, what you need to do is you need to remove the solid, so you can just dunk it in the toilet, okay? Let's assume that this is a family that doesn't cloth diaper. Just remove the solid, dunk it in the toilet. I know you have a kid. I bet you've touched their poop. It'll be okay. Get some plastic gloves. You'll be fine. Remove the poop, okay? Then wash it. Do a quick pre-wash with maybe some hand towels and things like that. Do a small load really quick. Okay, that's just going to rinse stuff out. Then you can do these maybe with your whites. Do a hot wash with your whites. And guys, since this is not meant to be absorbent, you don't have to do an extra rinse. The extra rinse when you're doing diaper laundry is primarily to make sure that all of the detergent and everything gets out of the diaper, the absorbent part, that this is built to be absorbent and to hang on to whatever it absorbs. That's why you have to do an extra rinse when you're doing cloth. But when you're washing a swim diaper, remove the solids, pre-wash it, then wash it with detergent on hot, right? We're dealing with poop here. We need to wash it on hot. And just hang dry it. I mean, you can put it in the dryer on low, but really, like, these dry really fast. Yes, the swim diapers and wet bags are a gateway to cloth diapers. Speaking of gateway, everyone, go ahead and just share this video right now, because how cute is this? Okay, when it comes to diapers, swim diapers are just a perfect first step to saving money, looking really cute, and going green. Right? I think so. So guys, that's what I have for you on Swim Diaper Fit, okay? These are designed to be nice and trim. You started with swim diapers. That's awesome, Katie. See, there we go. Oh, and the print looks good with my dress. Thank you. I got this dress for 10 bucks on Zulily. Can you believe it? It's my favorite teacher dress because it has pockets. So, there you go. Well, enough about the dress, more about the diapers. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and share it. And I forgot to put my phone on airplane. So, well, hopefully only the really loyal folks who don't care if we get interrupted are still watching. There you go, all the hearts. Thank you guys for watching. If there is a topic that you want us to cover on Thirsties Live, feel free to just let us know in the comments. Otherwise, get your fishtails and your size 3 swim diapers at your favorite Thirsties retailer on May 25th. Happy cloth diapering, everyone, and we will see you guys around on social media.